everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and today I'm going to just play around with some paint, maybe do a swipe. I have some old Australian Floetrol. I finally broke down and bought some more. It won't be here for a few days. I might end up swiping with the Penetrol also. It does create cells, maybe not as big and controllable as Australian Floetrol, but I still might play with this again today. So, my colors are the Prussian Blue by Atelier, Cuter by Amsterdam, and this really fun gold by, it's an iridescent gold by Pebeo. For my swiping color, I have Titanium White by Amsterdam with an older Australian Floetrol that I figured I would give it a try. So, here I go. Wish me luck. really cool. I really like this. I was going for more negative space, but I'm gonna go with it. This is my favorite part right here. I was thinking about tilting this the rest of the way off. Kind of still want to, but might be too late. Yeah, it's definitely too late. I could. All right, I'm leaving it alone. I kind of like it. I think it's really cool. I love the pewter. I can't wait to see what this looks like dry, because there's a lot of metallic in the pewter and the gold. But the Prussian blue is not metallic. I usually use a lot of metallic, but iBase is not, so it should be cool. All right, we will see what this looks like dry. Thank you for watching so far. I absolutely love it. It is really great. I love the flat black. It really does make the metallic pop. You can see just a little bit of the iridescent white in there, right there, from the luster white from the Ready Pour. But this was a lot of fun. I'm really psyched how this came out. It really pops. The gold, the pewter, it just really pops. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.